What are you, all the way back there? Like, how would I ever see that, dude?
That's the whole point.
Oh my God, I can't wait. Because if you leave, I'm going to have them call me and tell me when your last day is. And I'm going to jack with you so bad, dude. What did you do to my... Why are you still videoing me? What'd you do to my truck, dude? Why are you still doing that? Don.
Love you, Mike. You're still my I do love you, dog.
Don,
Yes.
what did you do to my truck?
You'll find out when we get there.
Dude,
What?
what the hell is this, dude? You bastards. Can I say this now that I'm not your
Go
boss?
ahead.
Fuck you. Don't ever do this again. What is this? Oh my God. You sons of bitches. All right, jackass. See you on Thursday, fucker.